What is going on YouTube? It's been raining, the grass wanting to come back. Gotta go fix something. Avocado tree, we cleaned out the tomatoes. That's basically it on the tomatoes. But they gave us a good season. Avocado trees coming back. Orange tree, not so much. It's in there somewhere. The peanut tree is flowering. Don't know what it's gonna do, but we might be growing some peanuts. The other avocado tree is looking good. This one here is looking a little sick. This is the lemon tree. She's looking a little putrid there. I mean, other than that, more peanuts, peanut trees. A lot of this has to get pulled. We've been having a ton of butterflies, different kinds and everything. And I don't know what's going on here. Well, that looks like a possible bird's nest from the tree. Fell down. So I don't know what's going on with this tree here. It looks a little sick, but again, I have not been out here watering. Just letting it grow because it's been raining every day. But we're not here for that. We're here to repair the lawnmower. As you can see, the squirrel's been trying to eat this tree close to the house because they done destroyed that one down there. And then the gondola tree. This is the gondola tree, guys. It's getting big. We'll just have to watch out for the squirrels. I don't know what's going on here. But again, I haven't been really watering them. These came back good because it's been raining at least once or twice a day. There's more butterflies. We're getting black butterflies, blue, all crazy butterflies now. Yeah. And then this is the avocado tree, boy. She's trying to come back. Now, will next year she have something? We'll see. We can only tell. All right, let's go get the lawnmower. I got to go fix the piece that I broke off. I tried to rig it up. It didn't work. Grass is definitely going to need to be cut again. Let's get to work. Okay, this is what I broke. A brand new one I broke. I tried to glue it, and my glue thing didn't work. So it's basically, you remove that screw from the bottom here, take this out. That's already got the bar with the screw, and then we have it. It shouldn't take that long. But then I see all the glue I put there. We'll see what problem this gives. Alrighty, it's coming to rain again. It's on and off. Now my mother says I have to take this off of here so the gandulas can grow straight out because they grow from the bottom. So I'd have to do that tomorrow. And bring you guys along because I still got a weed eat. Starting to rain. Got both sides done. The cover's working great. Grass is looking good. Until the next one, guys. Thank you for... What the heck am I hearing? Must be raindrops. Thank you for joining us. And you can see these things grew back, but the caterpillars, look at all those eggs, man. They got no food. Look at all that. That is all caterpillar eggs. And there is no leaves for them, so they just might die because the other batch ate them. And we left them alone. We didn't capture the caterpillars, and now we're getting different colors, different breeds. Oh well. Until the next one, guys. See ya. What the heck?